I am Rashmi Chaudhary from PPT Channels. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create a similar animated slide design. Alright, so here I have the blank slide. So I'll go to the layout, and in the layout, I'm going to select the blank. Okay, now I'm going to press the right mouse button and let's format the background. I'm going to give it a gradient fill. Alright, let's delete the gradient stops. We just need only 2 stops. Okay, so for this one, we are going to select the gray color. Okay, and for the another stop, the lighter shade of gray. Fine. Now in the next step, we are going to insert the shape, that is rectangle. Fine. Now we are going to give it some color. So let's give it this color. Shape outline is going to be the no outline. Alright. Let's make a copy of it 2 more times. This. Okay. Now let's adjust these rectangles so that it can fit in our slide. Alright, fine. Now in the next step, we are going to insert another rectangle. This rectangle should be inside the previous one, but a little bit smaller like this. Okay. For this, the shape outline again is going to be no outline, and the shape fill is going to be exactly the same as of our background. Okay. Now inside of it, we are going to fill the text. First of all, we'll go to the home tab and we are going to select black color for the text. So I'm going to write 1 and here. Okay, and let's just increase the size of this numeral. Fine, and let's okay, good. So you can add your text whatever you want. So I'm going to make a copy of it and I'm going to place it like this. All right, done. So this part is done. Now we have to make the door. So again, I'm going to insert another rectangle. This time, the size of the rectangle is going to be exactly the same of this gray rectangle. Alright, now we are going to give it a gradient fill. Shape outline is going to be the no outline. This time, the gradient fill, we can select any color. So I'm going to give a blue color. For the second stop, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the same blue color. Now again, I will go there and select more colors option. And here, by dragging this arrow, I'm going to select the darker shade of the same. Okay. And here in the direction, I'm going to select this direction. Okay. Linear right. Alright. And if you want, you can just write the number over here. Okay. And just give it some yellow color. Okay, and let's increase its size like this. All right, now in the next step we are going to copy it, and similarly we are going to place it somewhat over here. Okay, one more copy and place it. Okay, this time we are going to change the number to 2, and for here we're going to change the number to 3. Okay, just we forgot to change the numbers over here, so we are going to change it over here as well. Now we are going to make the doorknob. So for that we are going to insert the shape oval. Okay, and we are just going to insert the shape oval here. Let's leave it. Let's give it this yellow color, and here in the effect options we will go to the 3D format, and the width point, top will be 10 points, and for this again 10 points. Width and height 10 points. Okay. Now we are going to press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy. Let's place it on our other doors as well. Now if you want, you can change the color of these doors also. So like I'll give it red, the darker shade here, or this one maybe a green color. Okay, done. So the basic design is ready. Now we have to give some animations. So for that, I'll show you. It's a very important step. Okay, now for this door, if I give this animation, if I go to the animation and if I select grow or shrink animation, so it grows like this. And in the effect option, if I select horizontally, and if I go to the animation pane and then I go to the effect option, so instead of increasing the size, if I decrease the size by 10%, okay, then this happens. Okay, so what do we want? We want this door to slide towards the right hand side. So for this, what are we going to do? Let's just remove this animation. We are going to make the exact copy of the rectangle like this, and we are just going to place it exactly adjacent to previous one. Okay, now for this rectangle, the shape outline is going to be the no outline, and the shape fill is also going to be the no fill. And now by pressing the Ctrl key, we are going to select both the rectangles and we are going to group them like this. Okay, and let's just remove this text. Similarly, for the gate number 2, okay, shape. Okay, now let's give the same animation one more time. So here, if we go to the animation tab, if we select this grow or shrink animation, we go to the effect option, select horizontal, and here in animation pane, if we select the effect option and size decreases to 10%, then it is going to slide like this. Beautiful. All right. Okay, now in the next step, we have to give some animation to the doorknob as well. So let's go to the shape format and send them backwards. Okay. All right. Now for this doorknob, we'll give animation. We are going to give spin animation. All right. And the spin, we want only half spin, and we'll just reduce the time to just 0.75 seconds. And this animation is going to happen first. And after that, we are going to add animation. We are going to make this doorknob disappear. Okay, so let's move it upwards. In the drop-down menu, start after previous. And for this door animation, it is also going to start after previous. All right. Now, similarly, we can give animation to other door as well. Now let's have a final preview for the same. And see. Beautiful.